of love between two people, of lifelong companionship, help, and comfort for each other. Mike, you have chosen Kira to be your wife. Will you love and respect her? Will you be honest with her always? Will you stand by her through whatever may come? Kira, you have chosen Mike to be your husband. Will you love and respect him? Will you be honest with him always? Will you stand by him through whatever may come? I will.
I, Mike, take you, Kira, to be my wife,
To have and to hold,
from this day forward,
for better or worse,
for richer and for poor,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish.
as long as we both shall live.
This
This
is my
my
solemn
solemn vow.
May these rings be symbols of unending love and faithfulness and of the promise of love and fidelity which you make today. I declare you to be husband and wife. What has been joined together, let no one separate. And you may now seal this bond with a kiss.
October 5th, 2015. Me again. Well, we had a vote on this guy Mike I'm thinking of dating. 2 votes no, 3 votes yes. I think I'll give him a try anyways. Poor Mike. We're glad Kira decided to give you a shot. Who would have thought she'd find someone who struggles to adult just like her?
And I only hope that their love will go hotter than that little space heater at the farmhouse.
While you have loved and cared for each other for a long time, today makes it official. You are now a married couple.
I know his mother will be watching over, and I know she'll be very happy with her too.